Hi friends, and welcome to Load of Crock. For those of you who are watching Load of Crock in 2020, at the end of the year, I talked about a slight obsession with doing things in the crock pot with cinnamon rolls, and the obsession continues. It does. On this episode of Load of Crock, I'm going to say get ready to go bananas because we're going to make cinnamon roll monkey bread in the crock pot. Now, I know what you guys might be thinking. Really? Of all the jokes she could have made because she's making monkey bread, she went with go bananas? And you're right. I mean, there's probably a lot of other, funny, bad jokes I could have made. I mean, just like off the top of my head, totally spitballing here. I mean, I could have been like, on this episode of Load of Crock, we're going to have more fun than a barrel of monkeys, or monkey's uncle, we're making monkey bread, or after you see this recipe, it's going to be monkey see, monkey do. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to spare you guys those bad jokes. 5 ingredients only, friends. Super easy, really, really good. This has been a favorite in our house the last few weeks. So let's just cut the monkey business and watch while I put together this 5 ingredient cinnamon roll monkey bread. For this recipe, you'll need cinnamon rolls, cinnamon, butter, brown sugar, and white sugar. First, you'll want to start by cutting each cinnamon roll into 4 parts. After you've got all the cinnamon rolls cut up, put them into a bowl and pour the melted butter over top. Give them a good mix to coat all of the pieces. After this, you'll add in your brown sugar and your white sugar, and then your cinnamon. After all this is in the bowl, give it one more good mix, coating all the pieces as best as possible. Then you'll want to grab your crock pot, spraying the sides and the bottom. For this recipe, I'm using tinfoil to create a little outside coverage. This is going to help with the burning to make sure that the outside of the monkey bread doesn't get too crispy. Then you'll want to pour in your cinnamon rolls into the crock pot. Okay, friends, I did it on low for 4 hours and then I let it sit for 30 minutes, high or warm, not high, off or warm. Either way, just gives that middle section a little more time to set up because it is going to be a little softer than the outside. And with that outside part, you saw in the overhead, I did the tinfoil around the outside of the crock pot because every time I tried it, it burned pretty badly, especially on like my hotspot side of my crock pot. I actually have them on both, so maybe that's a thing. But regardless, it definitely helped with reducing the burning around the outside so it was less crispy and with cleanup. And I love less cleanup. So there's that. And then the third thing I just wanted to share is with using the cinnamon rolls, they come with the icing. So this monkey bread is fantastic without it. But if you're looking for a little like kick it up a notch, something extra, you can use the icing as well. I mean, whatever floats your banana boat. Nope, that one's real bad. I can't even get on board with that one. Thank you to all of you who are subscribed and watching this Load of Crock channel. I continue to be so grateful for everybody's interest. If you aren't subscribed, you should stop monkeying around and click on the red subscribe button. You can also click on the bell, and that way then you'll be alerted anytime we post new recipes and videos. And also all of our recipes, including some that are not on our YouTube channel and aren't necessarily crockpot recipes, can all be found at myloadofcrock.com. So thank you guys so much for putting up with my super funny, terrible monkey jokes. And I mean, just to wrap it up, put a little bow on the top, I was reminded and thinking about the Beastie Boys. And I feel like they said it best when they said, brass monkey, that funky monkey. Agreed? So, on that note, check out this funky monkey bread in the crock pot.